skill is all about enjoy and use fantasy, otherwise known as tapping into your imagination, a very important skill for the creative person. So Barney, are you ready to take on this creativity challenge today?
Yes, I am. Let's go.
So you will need a piece of paper and a pen, or like Barney, you could use Adobe Photoshop. So Barney, what we need you to do is draw a picture of a line, a squiggle, and a square. They can be as big or small as you'd like. They can be touching or not touching, and they can be placed anywhere on your sheet of paper.
Okay, so I'm going to do a line,
Mm-hmm.
a squiggle, and a square.
Great. Now, Barney, I'm going to ask you to keep open, tolerate the ambiguity, and today I really want you to focus on using your imagination. And I want you to take your line, your squiggle, and your square, and I want you to turn it into a picture for us. Can you do that?
I'm saying yes. I have nothing planned, but I'm going to try to keep open here and see what I can come up with, because this is not telling me anything yet.
Okay, so Barney,
Yeah.
I'm going to give you 1 minute.
Oh
Are
boy.
you ready?
Okay. Wow. No idea what I have here.
And stop. All right, Barney, tell us a little bit about your picture.
Well, what I really was hoping I was going to see something that told a story, although now that I'm looking at this kind of does. I just followed my shapes. The first thing I drew, which was over, I'm going to point a little bit right over here.
Yep.
That little dot is. I didn't even know what I was doing. I just thought rather than stop, I would connect the lines and see what that did. And all of a sudden I saw nothing. So I went to the right where there was that box where the square was. And because of the squiggle, I saw a nose and it became a little guy looking out. And then it just sort of evolved into what you're seeing now. And it definitely is the beginning of a story if one wanted to play with it.
And thank you so much for joining us on today's Creativity Challenge, Enjoy and Use Fantasy. We hope that you will post your pictures to social media using the hashtag creativity and join our Facebook page and post your pictures up there as well. And we will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.